Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about how augmented reality is becoming a trend in marketing strategy. Augmented reality is no more a concept limited to science fiction movies. If you are familiar with the digital retail marketing of 2020, you must have known that it has made its way to marketing long before. It is an emerging trend within marketing and sales strategies, one that allows brands to give their customers unique experiences with the convenience of tapping into their mobile devices. More companies implementing AR strategies for their own marketing purpose, and the reason is that it has left an impact on every level of our society. Now, let's look at the few ways how you can leverage the power of AR in your digital marketing strategy. Number 1. Letting customers virtually try before they buy. Using of augmented reality can reduce the extent by providing consumers try before they buy digital experience. The innovative AR solutions existing these days allow the customers to visualize the products in real time just by sitting at their homes. AR apps are used to reduce the cost of return for all the sellers as buyers. Marketplace AR is one of the most extensive and most effectively used application in the immersive technologies category. Now look at few examples how brands are using AR to give a real-time product experience. Ikea. Ikea allows customers to place virtual Ikea furniture into their own home to see how everything might look once assembled. It provides a lot of inspirations, letting users compare over 2,000 Ikea items to see how different furniture might look in the same space, which will make it easier for the customers to choose which one to buy. Next, Gucci. Try on shoes in AR. Gucci is the latest luxury brand to help customers make better and more informed product decisions by adding an AR feature to its app to let users try on sneakers. Pointing their smartphone camera towards their feet, users can choose to see a digital overlay of 100 plus different sneakers on their own feet, swiping left or right to choose to a different pair. Thus, it becomes very easy for you to choose which color and what size is matching your feet. Next, Lenskart. With their unique feature known as 3D try-on, Lenskart is leading the market in spectacles, selling e-commerce giants based in India. It lets users to check how a frame looks on their face by a photo perspection presented in both web and app formats. The next point is improve brand awareness. The integration of AR is a great way to capture the attention of consumers and stand out from the competitors. Since the consumers are extremely unlikely to engage with various AR tools, these technologies can help the companies in increasing their brand reach. It uses the technology to overlay the virtual world on to the real world. The digital achievement will help to visualize the images or videos on the real world. Amazon Prime. Amazon Prime launches an AR filter whenever they releases any new movie or web series to promote their brand. These filters are eye-appealing and easy to use, for which the audience grab more often. This helps the brand to promote their films and filters. Burger King. Burn that ad. The Burger King restaurant chain in Brazil launched an application that allows you to burn advertising to competitors on billboards in augmented reality. When a competitor's advertisement disappears into flames, the user sees on the screen a message about receiving a free wiper at a nearby restaurant. As a result, Burger King turned competitors' media into its own advertising. Loreal. Loreal brings you with an amazing AR filter with the use of the latest tech. Now you can try various shades of lipstick before buying one. Not only this, but you can go for various cream filters as well. This is a very cool invention for all the ladies who are accustomed to all beauty tips. Ultimately, as the media landscape changes and technology gets more advanced, marketers at businesses of different sizes might have more opportunities to implement technology. And when they do, they will need to think creatively and innovatively about how they invest in it. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to learn more about new and creative marketing strategy, then must subscribe to WebDrill's YouTube channel. Thank you.